All right, hey guys, here is a reminder on how to turn in this specific assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to classwork, then manage your time for digital, or manage your time with Google Sheets. I want you to follow this lesson completely. When you are finished with this lesson, you're going to click View Assignment, Add or Create. So we're going to go Google Drive. And then you're going to click your most recent document. Once you click that, click Add, and then once you click Add, mark as done, and then it will say that you turned it in. So that is how you do it. If you are not pleased with what you turned in, just simply click Unsubmit, and then you can do that again. All right, so that is how, just a refresher on how you turn in this assignment.